Millions of moms on Facebook are spreading the 0% alcohol apple juice trend. But how can a fresh apple that can ferment after just 24 hours become a bottle of 0.00% alcohol juice, safe for pregnant women and young children? The answer lies in non-thermal high-pressure processing, HPP technology, at a plant in Washington State. The journey starts from February to April every year when farmers plant young apple trees in fertile soil. Red Delicious and Gala saplings are carefully selected 2 red apple varieties, perfect for juice processing with high natural sweetness. Each acre of land contains 150 to 200 apple trees, and an average 50-acre farm can nurture up to 10,000 trees. But to get sweet, ripe apples, it takes 2 to 3 years of patient care. During the first year, the tree focuses on developing roots and the trunk. In the second year, flowers start to bloom in spring with millions of white blossoms covering the orchard. And finally, the third year is when the magic happens. The first apples turn ripe red, ready for harvest. Throughout the growth period, each tree needs special care. An automated drip irrigation system provides exactly 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Smart sensors monitor soil moisture, temperature, and light 24/7. Drones fly across the orchard to detect pests early. This is 21st century high-tech agriculture. August to October is the golden harvest season. When the apples reach perfect redness and a sugar content of 12 to 14%, the harvest crew starts taking action. With an average yield of 2 to 3 tons per acre, a 50-acre farm can harvest 100 to 150 tons of apples, equivalent to 200,000 to 300,000 pounds of apples each season. An amazing number, isn't it? Apples are transported to the Mott's processing plant within 24 hours to ensure freshness. When an 18-wheeler carrying 40,000 pounds of apples arrives, the automated weighing system records the exact weight. Apples are poured into a giant receiving hopper, where the conveyor belt begins the magical transformation journey. This is the first step in a chain of 8 modern processing stages. The washing and cleaning stage is extremely important. Apples go through 3 consecutive washing tanks with a total volume of 5,000 gallons of water. The first tank removes dirt and large impurities with pressure spray nozzles. The second tank uses high-speed rotating brushes to clean the surface. The final tank rinses with sterile filtered water. The water filtration system is 90% recycled to save resources. This is sustainable production. After being cleaned, the smart AI sorting system scans each apple with 32 high-resolution cameras. The computer analyzes color, size, and detects defects within 0.2 seconds. Apples reaching the standard of 85% red color, 2.5 to 3.5 inches in diameter, and having no bruises are accepted. Those that don't meet standards will be separated to make compost. Nothing is wasted. The apple grinding step is where the magic really begins. Apples are put into an industrial grinder with stainless steel blades rotating at 2,500 RPM, turning 10,000 pounds of apples into a fine pulp in just 5 minutes. The hammer mill produces 0.25-inch apple pieces, helping to maximize surface area for juice extraction. Temperature is controlled at 45 degrees F to keep vitamin C and natural flavor. The juice extraction stage is the key step. Apple pulp is put into a giant hydraulic press with 2,000 psi equivalent to the weight of 10 cars pressing down. From 1 ton of apple pulp, the press extracts 175 to 180 gallons of fresh juice in 15 minutes. The remaining part, called pomace, containing 25% of the initial weight, will be sold as animal feed or organic fertilizer. Raw apple juice is still cloudy and contains impurities. The clarification phase using enzymes is the secret. Pectinase enzyme is added at a rate of 0.02% to break down pectin, which makes juice cloudy. After 2 hours at 50 degrees F, the juice becomes naturally crystal clear. Next, a 5-stage filtration system with 0.2 micron ultrafine membranes removes 99.99% of bacteria and impurities, while keeping the vitamins intact. Pasteurization is the step to protect consumer health. Juice is pumped through an HTST, high-temperature short-time system, quickly heating to 185 degrees F for 15 seconds, then immediately cooling down to 40 degrees F. This method kills 100% of E. coli, salmonella, and dangerous molds, while still keeping 95% of vitamin C and fresh, natural apple flavor. Absolute safety. Some juice will be concentrated for easier transport and long-term preservation. In vacuum evaporation equipment, juice is heated at 120 degrees F under low pressure of 29 inches Hg. Water evaporates, but sugar and nutrients remain intact. From 100 gallons of pure juice, the machine creates 15 gallons of 70-degree Brix concentrate, 6 to 7 times more concentrated, but still keeping the original flavor. Strict quality control steps are carried out by a modern laboratory. Every 30 minutes, technicians take juice samples to test 15 parameters: Brix, 12 to 13 degrees, pH, 3.3 to 4.0, vitamin C, minimum 60 millimolar bure, 8 OZ, color, and bacteria. A spectrometer analyzes chemical components in 3 minutes. Only batches meeting 100% of FDA standards are allowed to be bottled. The modern automated bottling line can handle 800 bottles per minute. That's 48,000 bottles per hour. PET plastic or glass bottles are sterilized with UV rays before being filled with juice. The machine accurately fills 64 fluid ounces with an error of only plus 0.1 ounce. Bottle caps are automatically screwed with 15 inch-pounds of torque, ensuring a complete seal. Robotic arms check each bottle before labeling. Labeling and barcode printing is the product identification step. A high-speed labeling machine wraps the signature red Mott's label around the bottle in 0.5 seconds. The automated inkjet system prints barcodes, production date, and expiration date with food-safe ink. AI cameras read and verify 100% of information on each bottle. Defective bottles are automatically removed from the line with an error rate of only 0.01%. Juice bottles are packed into 12-pack or 24-pack cartons by automated packaging robots. Each robot has 6 axes of motion with a speed of 120 cartons a minute. A tape machine seals the boxes firmly. Cartons are pre-printed with nutritional information, storage instructions, and QR codes for traceability. Finally, a forklift moves 40 boxes onto a standard 48 40-inch wooden pallet ready for dispatch. A giant cold warehouse maintains a temperature of 35 to 38 degrees F with 65% humidity to preserve optimal quality. The WMS, Warehouse Management System, tracks the exact location of 50,000 pallets. AGV, Automated Guided Vehicle Robots, automatically transport goods according to the FIFO, first in first out principle, old goods first. Juice can be preserved for 12 months at this temperature without losing quality. From the factory, 53-foot refrigerated trucks carrying 26 pallets, equivalent to 20,000 bottles, depart for distribution centers across the U.S. GPS tracks trailer temperature in real time to ensure the cold chain is not interrupted. After an average journey of 500 miles in 8 hours, juice reaches Walmart, Target, and Costco supermarkets. Staff arrange them on cold shelves, and finally, you hold that bottle of juice in your hand. And that is the 3-year journey from seed to the glass of juice in your hand. One 64-ounce bottle of apple juice contains juice from about 35 to 40 apples, bringing 100% of your daily vitamin C. Every year, the U.S. apple juice industry produces 450 million gallons, creating jobs for 25,000 people from farmers to factory workers.